Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta realtor, coming to you live and direct from Powder Springs, Georgia. We're getting ready to look at another 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home here, right here behind me. And if you like this home, definitely leave a comment below. This one is not going to stay on the market long. They're already getting offers on this home. But the agent requested that I go ahead and preview this home for the channel. So I'm doing this for you, all right? So like I said, leave a comment below if you like this house, and definitely subscribe to this channel if you're feeling it, and leave a thumbs up if you really like this house, and definitely hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this home, and I don't want to forget to let you know to make sure to look in the description of this video for the buyer and seller's guides if you're looking to buy or sell a home. Step-by-step process, really easy for you to do. And like I said, if you're serious about buying or selling, use that. It's free. My gift to you, definitely, for watching this channel. All right, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. We're on the way to take a look at this immaculate, well-maintained 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home in Powder Springs, Georgia. The city of Powder Springs is northwest of the city of Atlanta in Cobb County. This stunning 5,100 square feet brick and stone home is located in sought-after Hawthorne at Lost Mountain subdivision. It is listed by Becky Godbee for Atlanta Fine Home, Sotheby's International. It features an owner suite on the main level with a large, recently renovated bathroom with a handicap accessible shower space, enormous walk-in closet, and a sitting area with French doors that lead to a private covered porch space. The main level floor plan is spacious with high ceilings, and the kitchen features a large island with generous counter space, newer stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast area leading to a patio area for effortless entertaining. The keeping room features a cozy gas fireplace, and the 2-story great room is filled with natural light from a wall of windows, and also features the second fireplace, which is wood burning and flanked with beautiful built-in cabinetry. Gleaming hardwood flooring throughout the main level and staircase leading to the second floor loft with custom library shelving, window seat, and library ladder, all added by the homeowner. 2 of the upstairs bedrooms are serviced by a Jack and Jill bath. The 3rd upstairs bedroom has an ensuite bath all on its own. And don't miss the upstairs huge bonus room off of bedroom number 4. It will make an amazing playroom or an au-pair space. The fenced backyard is the perfect space to enjoy the outdoors with multiple patio/covered porch space, walkways, garden space, and much more. The property actually extends beyond the fence for a full 0.6 acre level lot. This coveted West Cobb location is convenient to award-winning Kemp Elementary, Lost Mountain Middle, and Hillgrove High Schools. There are also nearby parks, shopping, and dining at the avenues of West Cobb. I'm excited to show you this amazing home. Let's start your tour. All right, we're back. What did you think about this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home here in Powder Springs, Georgia? I would love to know your thoughts on this house. Definitely leave that information down in the comments. Also, definitely subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be putting out more and more videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. Like I said in the beginning, this house is already getting offers, so it won't be on the market long. And if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home in Powder Springs, you definitely need to contact me. All right, I look forward to putting out more and more of these home tour videos. Have a great day. Peace.